In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your DM completely on Instagram so that no one can message you. Here's how to do it. Open your Instagram app, click on your profile at the bottom right corner, click on the three lines, scroll down and click on message and story replies. Now what you have to do is to click on message request. You will see an option that says who can send you a message request. Select no one. When you do that, from now on, nobody can send you a message request or message on Instagram. Your DM will be completely disabled. So that's how you disable your DM on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.